Well, we kind of ran out of space at home, and I had a neighbor catch me one morning after picking corn as we were walking back down the road. Volunteering some barn space, but what problems?
Slide one bale.
To support it?
Yeah, underneath it so it doesn't
tip.
rock up this end.
Like that?
Something like that, yeah.
Okay. Whew.
What?
Just tripping over bales. So I'm sure it seems a little dark in here compared to outside. Now the joys of working the corner. So yes, this space was somewhat volunteered to me, which is fantastic. Didn't have to go looking. I don't have to leave hay necessarily sitting on wagons, so I can have the center of the barn back when we get to that point. Like, first step, putting in wagon loads of ear corn or beans here soon, because it's just about that time. It's October 11th. So it's pretty dark in here. I'm gonna do a bunch of stacking. I'll set you guys up to watch the wagon unload.
Well, here begins a little bit of fast motion, and we're just seeing how quick the bales were going in. Really, this video is probably about 4 times of real time, at least. Maybe more than that. This is like how quick I think things will get done in my head. But in reality, let's start watching. See the camera there. Each time a bale goes up, it must have been like enough when it fell off to shake the loft to, move the camera just a little bit, and it keeps turning. Now it's going to start inching to the edge. And I wasn't paying attention, didn't see this when I was stacking. It's too sweaty or something. Hearing a few bales, it's just enough vibration, I guess. I didn't have the camera properly secured, so here we go. Boom.
Well, I know you can't see me, but that fall has officially wrecked the lens on the Hero 7 Black. I don't know what we're gonna do now. Maybe I can force the new camera into working or spend a long time on the phone with GoPro tech support.
Okay, here's a fast motion thing. This is set for taking a picture like every half second. That's not the problem. This is the new GoPro Hero 8. We've only got like 30 seconds of this clip. And I figured out that the camera overheats. And that's why I have the most trouble in warm weather. Now that it's cool outside, it does much better. And if it overheats, I just leave it sit in the cold. And in a few minutes, I can go filming again. That's why I was having issues like back in the spring trying to watch disking with the TW25. Because the weather was warmer and the camera would overheat. Just by existing.
Well, let's see how long the new camera cooperates while I quick try to shoot some video before it says I have issues and it's going to fix the file. So I tried to get slow-mo or high speed and me stacking. Camera gave out on that. And Dad's going to do a little cleanup of the tufts of stuff he missed at the ends here. I'm going to run this home and really wishing I would have unloaded another wagon this morning. But we're gonna do it the hard way again and throw the next 100 and whatever bales that we're gonna make in 2 little fields on the flatbed. Oh, just crawling to the finish right now, crawling. I need more daylight in the day. And well, we're out here getting the last few bales the hard way. We'll have 130 or so bales with lots of extra sweating in on it. Didn't get enough wagons unloaded this morning. Yep. Oh boy, that's a fun one. every time I do this, I load the dovetail differently. So that means we had 145 on that first wagon load, 130 here. So about 275-ish. That's a wee bit more than a full wagon load.
What? Oh, yeah.
Yes. A solid 275. That's almost 2 wagon loads. Well, 2 extra full ones. So the camera's doing pretty good. It's filmed for a solid minute now and hasn't decided to be stupid, but we'll shut it off before it does something dumb.